Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials, your Google password, an alternate recovery phone or email, and at least one backup code. Once ready, sign and add accounts. Google. Calm and go straight to security, then two-step verification. Make sure you are on a trusted device or browser so prompts will appear. This early step reduces lockout risk and explains why you need backups, because changing devices can invalidate current methods. Now proceed to manage your devices and authentication methods. Once in two-step verification, click Manage Devices or look for Authenticator and security keys. If the old phone is listed, remove it to avoid accidental prompts. Next, add your new device. Install Google Authenticator or enable Google prompts by signing in on the new phone and accepting the prompt. For hardware keys, register the new key now. Make sure to sync time in the Authenticator app if codes are off. When complete, the new device will generate valid codes and receive future prompts. You finish by testing. Sign out and sign back in using your new verification device to confirm everything works. Once verified, generate and securely store fresh backup codes and update your recovery phone or email to prevent future lockouts. Revoke sessions on old devices for security. If anything goes wrong, don't panic. Use stored backup codes or start Google account recovery and follow prompts closely. Make sure to keep recovery options current so changing devices is smooth next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.